Hello, wonderful drafting students. Welcome to the last day of the term. Let me turn the lights on here so you can see a little better. I have one last task for you, and that is to get your tools together and return them to the school. Now, I know that some of you lost things or broke things or had annoying siblings that broke things, and several of you have emailed me about that. And so far, it's no big deal. So I'm sure that will continue. Now, if you don't return the packet, you will be charged for it. So make sure you do. You can take it into the front desk, okay, and they will collect it from you. You can do on Wednesday of the 10th of next week, between, I believe it's 11 and 5:30 is when materials pickup is. When you go in to pick up your materials for next term, please return the tools. So I'm going to go over all the tools, because what I want you to do is make sure you've got everything in the packet. I'm going to remind you of what they are, okay? And anything that's missing, you're going to write me a note. So for starters, let's just get the packet going here. I've got my swing arm protractor. I have my... I wanted to tell you about this. You can keep this, because I'm sure that you've torn sheets out. So we didn't get as far in it as I thought. But if you go into drafting 2, or if you take drafting from me 2 from me next year, hang on to this, because we'll go over a lot of this other stuff. And some of these assignments are really fun. Okay, so we got the 45, 45, 90 triangle in there. We've got our 30, 60, 90 triangle. We got our little baby Mr. Pen pencil. We got our little baby Mr. Pen mechanical pencil. And this is our study compass that has the little attachment on here. Be careful when you take this off that you don't lose this little piece here. So that goes in there. And we've got our 2 architect scales. Go back in there. This is our graphic compass. And if you remember, it has extra lead. So graphic compass with extra lead. And we'll put the extra lead in there. Extra lead for the mechanical pencil, 0.5 mechanical pencil. You should have 3 mechanical pencils, the 0.5, 0.7, and 0.9 pencils. All go in there. The eraser shield. Careful that it's against the edge so it doesn't get bent. We've got our little 6-inch ruler. We've got our 4-inch protractor. We've got our divider, which we never used. And this is the, it's another compass. It has a different name. Maybe this is the study compass. Anyway, notice this also has the extra lead. So you're going to put the extra lead and this compass in there. Oh, I have 2 of these little pencils. Huh. Okay, now, if you misplaced anything, lost anything, or broke anything, or can't return anything, I want you to make me a list of missing items, or broken, or whatever, and just write them on here, because I want to be able to refill these for the next set of drafting students. And so what I need from you is to make me a little note like that that says what the missing items are, so I can open this up, say, okay, I got to get a new pencil, put that in there, I got to get a new extra lead, and I got to get an eraser shield. That's all. And folks, again, I'm not going to charge you, so don't sweat it if 1 or 2 things are missing, but please do your best to find everything. Please do your best to replace everything, because this has been really challenging to put all these together, and I need your help with keeping everything together. So again, write me a little note. That's it. Then return this to school. Oh, I forgot one. Pencil sharpener. Just lost that. You get in there, pencil sharpener. Got any questions for me? You know how to get a hold of me. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And if I don't see you again, have a wonderful rest of your life or whatever you got going on. Drafting 2. If you are taking drafting 2, you do not have to turn this in. If you are done with drafting for the year, you do need to return this. Drafting 2 is going to be term 6. So hang on to these if you're taking drafting 2. Thanks, y'all.